What happens when 2 Italian and 3 American supercar owners meet up for a 30-mile morning coffee break? I'm SS Bob, and somebody better hold the cream and the cups while I answer that here on The Sound of Speed. What are the chances of joining 5 mid-engine supercar icons, 2 Italian and 3 American, for a 30-mile coffee run in such a beautiful day? Well, thanks to an anonymous content donor, we were able to make this video so that our viewers could experience the 30-mile run with this extraordinary pack of supercars up close and personal. However, before we share this exciting supercar experience, we need to warn you that this video may feature vehicles that may appear to be exceeding posted speed limits on public roads. Speeding is illegal and dangerous. Do not attempt to replicate any driving maneuvers shown in this video, as it could result in serious injury, property damage, or death. The creators of this video content and the channel owners do not condone or encourage speeding or reckless driving on public highways. Always obey traffic laws and drive responsibly. The content in this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not instructional. Viewers are solely responsible for their actions and any consequences that may arise from their driving behavior. Now let's get a look at the vehicle lineup before we start to run. This includes 2 sexy Lamborghini Aventadors and 3 muscular C8 mid-engine Corvettes. First up is the black all-wheel drive SVJ V12 that revs to 8,700 RPM, making over 800 horsepower with its Gattani exhaust and tune. The SVJ is the track version of the Aventador S. Second up is an Aventador S in black V12 that revs to 8,500 RPM, making over 800 horsepower with its Valvetronic exhaust and tune. Third up is a hypersonic gray rear-wheel drive Z06 that revs to 8,600 RPM, making 670 horsepower with its quad exhaust and the most powerful normally aspirated V8 in the world. Fourth is an amplified orange version of the Z06, again rear-wheel drive in the identical spec to the hypersonic gray Z06. And fifth is a brand new all-wheel drive C8 E-Ray hybrid, making 673 horsepower with its V8 assisted by electric motors and GM certified Borla exhaust. Now let's buckle up and watch carefully as these experienced supercar drivers navigate 30 miles of awesome highway with a few surprises along the way. Cars and coffee meetups and runs are very common across the world. They're a global phenomenon. They occur weekly when the weather is good. Today, this coffee run could be Rarely do you get to see a modern, iconic Italian and American supercars of this capability out in the wild covering 30 miles in 15 minutes or less. Primarily because you can't keep up with them unless you have another supercar. hard to appreciate how fast and smooth these cars can cruise on open road, but watch the movement relative to each other and other vehicles around. Driving hard and fast. They have insane supercar acceleration, maneuverability, safe, smooth, professional level braking system to slow down quickly from any speed. Carbon ceramic rotor, 6-piston caliper brakes with racing compound pads enables these cars to go from 160 miles an hour to 70 miles an hour instantly, and likely faster than a police officer can shoot a car twice. No surprise that all 5 of the supercars who are watching, Italian and American, have had testing on the Nürburgring in Germany as part of their development cycle. Nürburgring is famous motorsports complex in Nürburgring, known for its challenging Grand Prix configuration of a highway called the Nürburgring, often referred to as the Challenge. Nürburgring is basically a 2-lane highway with rapid changes in elevation, pitch, long and short straights, and 154 turns that will test the maximum capabilities of any vehicle and most drivers. supercars you're watching are no ordinary vehicles. There's nothing like a Nordschleife Autobahn in America, although we do have many beautiful open highways similar to the one you see in this supercar coffee. Fastest supercars in the world can do a lap of Nordschleife, which is about 14 miles in under 7 minutes. That's 2 miles a minute. Every supercar manufacturer in the world uses this benchmark as the goal to beat Right now, we are watching our supercar coffee webinar, allegedly cover 30 miles in about 15 minutes. However, the road is very straight and smooth compared to There are famous European YouTubers that focus exclusively on the Nürburgring, like Showdown, that routinely does just over 2 miles a minute laps on the Nordschleife with a variety of cars. I've included his channel link below in the video description if you have an interest in learning more about the Nürburgring. Love speed, you can rent supercars of this caliber to drive on. It should be on every supercar enthusiast bucket list. Certainly on mine. There's nothing like blowing past a police officer with a supercar convoy for excitement. good news is, in this case, he pulled someone else over. That poor soul. What a coffee run. So who's buying? Looks like the hypersonic gray Z06, everyone to the exit. Followed by the Lambos, then the E-Ray, with the amplified orange being the lucky one that will buy everyone coffee.
How can I get for you?
Hey, I'm gonna have a flat white, and whatever the other four guys want, I'm buying.
All right, cool. Sounds good.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe as it helps us to continue making unique and exciting videos. We also appreciate your hitting the like buttons and making comments, since we use the feedback to improve our videos. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again.